Good afternoon, it's Chris from Stockton Land Rover. Just wanted to do a brief video on this car. We've just got it in part exchange. Definitely worth showing you around the car, showing what it's about. So it is a D250 X-Dynamic HSE 90 Defender. So the 250, it's a straight 6 3-litre diesel turbo. So plenty of power, plenty of towing. Will tow up to 3.5 tonne. Car does have the black pack, so we've got the black checker plating, black lettering, and the bottom side sills are all black. You've got your LED lights and your daytime running lights as well that are in an LED. If we come around the car, Santorini Black finish on the vehicle along with gloss black wheels in a 20-inch. Car has had some approved dealer fit accessories put onto it, so you'll notice that we've got the side steps. We've also got the classic mud flaps front and rear as well. It's a fully approved car, so it will come with at least 1 year warranty. Currently 2 years if you are financing the car. Also, with it being approved, it's gone through our checks through the workshop on condition wise on the exterior as well, so you shouldn't see any scuffs, scrapes, scratches or dents. We've got the keyless entry system in here as well, with it being HSE, and we've got blind spot monitor as well. Privacy glass on the car and the Alpine light, which is a bit of homage to the original 90 Defender, as is the full-size spare on the rear. We've got a rear camera as well. In the back you've got your standard load space in here, but I will show you how to fold the seats down when we just come in there, because they will now fold completely flat. Just following around the car again, nice condition. There's nothing to speak of as far as any damage, so there's no surprises when you came to view this car. It is as it should be, with it being a fully approved vehicle. If we just come into the driver side, I will just show you the rear seats, so you will just have to bear with me while I just jump into the back. So the original Defender, the seats didn't go down on the Defender in the original form, whereas here you've got little clips just on here. So if you pull that forward, just like this on here, this seat will then fold down into that recess to make it completely flat load space for if you needed to carry something longer distances, or if there was a dog box or something like that in the vehicle, which was a nice little update that they did on the car. So you've got the 40 and the 60 on this side. There's also rear air vents, and you've got 2 USB-C power ports as well. With it being HSE, we've got the Meridian Sound system and we've got the electric seats. If I just come round to the driver's side for you, I mentioned the blind spot monitor. Car has done 28,210 miles. Just looking at the vehicle on here, you've got your dual zone climate control, and we've got the heated seats for driver and passenger, and we've also got the cooled seats for driver and passenger as well. Heated front windscreen, dual zone climate control. You've got all your terrain response 4-wheel drive system that is kind of synonymous with Land Rover, and then we've got a really nice sliding panoramic roof on the car as well. As far as the infotainment goes, we've got all the standard sat-nav, Bluetooth, your data connections, but you do have the facility to wirelessly go into Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as well. And then we've got adaptive cruise control and a heated steering wheel with full interactive driver display. So hopefully that is a brief overview for you, just from a point of view of the storage down on here and in here as well. As far as the vehicle's concerned, it is something that really is a great drive, really comfortable, and is planted on the road. So I would suggest having a test drive of the car, and then obviously we can look at some numbers. But if you could give us a call on 01642 644 444.